What's good, everybody? It's your boy Aristotle R with the Raw. We back with another episode of Stock Sundays. So y'all know what it is, man. We almost at 100. This is episode 99. I got 99 problems, but calling trades ain't one, right? So check me out. Listen, all I want you to do in exchange for my expertise, my information, everything, just leave a like and a comment. That's all I ask you guys, all right? That's all I ask. Now, without further ado, let's get right into it, folks. Right. So, let's go to SPY first, and let's see where we're at. I've been doing mentorships lately. So we're approaching the 200 MA. This is looking like a sharp recovery back to all-time high so far. Let me look at, let's do a Fibonacci actually. All right. So 61.8 with a pin bar, but it broke above that. Looks like it's headed to, let's look at QQQ. Rejection off the 200 MA. 61.8 field. Pin bar coming down. All right, so we just got to follow the trend. The trend is bullish, so let's see if we'll keep going. Let's go look at the RSI real quick. See if we're even. Nope. Could still keep going. Could still keep going. So I think with Tesla, let's see. I'll take it above here. 295. So Tesla above 295. I like that. Let's go look at Bitcoin real quick too. Oops. BTC. We're at 95K. So I told people to buy into Bitcoin in this area, the 77K mark right here, and it actually went down to the 70, nearly, like, what's the low? 74K-ish. And that's nearly almost a retest of all-time highs right here. So that was a great buy down here. And I'm up about 130 racks since buying that. I put in like 650, and then I was gonna put a whole M down in this area when it retested. So that's really why what I was waiting on, really this area right here. I mean, honestly, yeah, all this, like if it would have came in all this little box, over with. I was gonna go about 2 M's in deep with Bitcoin. Had some money laid over for them. But that's all I do, folks, is just invest. All right, so let's look at another one that was on my radar, and let's see about these weekly reports. I don't really care about these. You guys don't care about these either. If you in my chat, we'll let you know whenever there's things to look out for and important data and stuff like that. Like we're really, and then Brett does it every pre-market for free on YouTube. So shout out to Brett. He goes live for free teaching people the pre-market game. But yeah, folks, before we get started with these plays, this person made 58K year to date from us. All right. 12 point whatever. Then we got this 409. We got 23K right here. Consistency. You got everything. Look at this money. See that? Easy money, folks. If you want to make money, tap in. All right. And then the next thing I want to show you guys is these plays. Oops. And if you on Instagram, comment the word challenge or link in my bio, honeydripnetwork.com. Google broke above this little trend line here that I've been watching for a minute. Like it's ready to, it was actually right here. My fault, it was like right here. Yep. Boom, 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 gone. So Google is doing its thing. Let's bring up an MA, see if it bounced off an MA. I'm pretty sure. Yep, the 8. Broke above, hit the 8. Went crazy. Like it. All right, Google, I think, could continue. Tesla above that. Google above 168.5 is good. And then let's do one more. XYZ. Even though they fell, bullish divergence on the fall. So some people don't look at the bright side of things falling, just get in. We can go look at their Yahoo Finance. Let me see something real quick. XYZ. Okay, trailing 12 months, not doing as good. But look, profit. They were once not profitable, so they're on like a 3-year winning streak. And trailing 12 months could catch up. Let's see. That doesn't really matter. Let's look at the quarterly statements. Now, this is probably why that happened. What do they spend more money on? Cost of revenue. Costs a lot. Costs more than average. Gross profit was less because of that. Operating expense was less expensive than last quarter. Operating income. Okay. So they're already lost because of all this. Okay. But they end up netting this, which is cool. All right, cool. So they had a profitable quarter, but they fell short on this quarter. And usually they do. Okay, so they have potential to climb from this type of, I would say, yeah, just another sell. Could be a good entry now. If it goes oversold, even better. Comes down here, even better, right? So you could look at it that way too. Even if it comes down a little bit more, great sale on it. Average down, do whatever. And then did I already say UNH? Yeah, UNH. Oversold with a pin bar. Pin bars while oversold levels are just always hitters. Let's see. On the weekly chart. Came down some more, it'd be even crazier. Somewhere like right here. I would say, yeah, but still, it's bullish divergence on the weekly chart. So it could be a good buy now, honestly. Because then it will have to drop that many more points. I think it could bounce before even it did that. I think UNH is a good dip buy right here. I would take the risk on it. And that's pretty much it, folks. Make sure you guys tap in if you want to get gains like this, folks. With us, I'm gonna be day trading, trading pretty much, coming up with swings. I might call one of these. So I'm gonna set the alert for everything, whatever we get in, and you guys can bank. Oh, and then here's another thing, folks. My hymns play hit. Remember hymns at Twilolo? I really made $19K off of it. Things went. Made a lot of money off these, so. And I did shares. So yeah, man, y'all know what it is. Your boy Aristotle R with the Ryan. Make sure y'all tap into the chat. Hit the link in the description. Y'all know what it is. And then I'll pin the link in the comments. But if not, visit honeydrillnetwork.com. If you don't see it yet, tap in, folks. The sooner you start, the better. Remember, by 2030, anybody who do not invest for the next 5 years is going to be left behind. So all you need to start your journey now so you can get 5 years ahead of the curve. Because come 2030, all you going to be sorry. Everybody who was like, man, I should listen to Aristotle back in 2025. You're going to be 5 years behind the curve ball if you don't start now. If you start now, you got to think they just going to replace you with AI. ChatGPT just replaced a lot of employees for me. You could, like, something as simple as, like, doing people emails and stuff. People don't need you to construct their emails no more. They go to ChatGPT. People don't need you to graphic design no more. Ooh, graphic designers hurting right now. As far as like graphics, like create me a graphic for this. That's a job that just went extinct because of ChatGPT. A cartoonist could be extinct, giving just writing a card, making a cartoon of somebody. So it's like all of that, folks. So tap in. Y'all know what it is. I'll teach you something that they can't take away from you. All right, tap in.